Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start on your iPhone because the sleep schedule drives the watch. Open Health and tap Sleep. This is where schedules live. Once there, make sure your watch is paired and on the latest watch OS so changes sync. Tap Full Schedule and Options to reveal the active sleep window. You'll change it from here. You're not toggling the watch directly yet. This edit point ensures the system-wide schedule updates, which then pushes to the watch automatically. Now you edit the specific schedule. Tap Edit for the schedule you use, choose individual days, or set a repeating pattern. Drag the bedtime or wake time sliders left or right for a quick change, or tap the time to type an exact hour and minute when you need precision. While editing, adjust wind down so notifications and shortcuts begin earlier. This aligns the watch's Do Not Disturb and sleep mode behavior with your new bedtime, preventing unwanted alerts. Finish by saving and letting the devices sync. Open the Sleep app on your watch to confirm the updated times. If the new bedtime doesn't show, restart both iPhone and watch, then check iCloud and Health app syncing. Those must be enabled for schedules to push. Also make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb rules aren't overriding sleep mode. Once done, your watch will follow the updated bedtime automatically. If problems persist, toggle the schedule off and on and resave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.